Women have the power to achieve anything they set their minds to, whether building a career in technology, starting a business, or managing a home. Every choice is a step towards success. The tech industry is evolving, and skilled women are shaping the future. Skills have no gender, and talent knows no limits. At Brain Mentors, we are committed to equipping women with the right skills to thrive in the tech world. Our expert led programming training and 100% placement assistance ensure that every student is job ready and confident to step into the industry. This Women's Day, let's invest in skills growth and limitless possibilities to support aspiring women in tech. We are offering a flat 25% discount on admissions for girls. Because education is not just about learning, it's about empowerment. Hurry up. This special offer is valid for 1 week only. Visit www.brain-mentors.com or call at showing number on the screen today and take your first step toward a brighter, more successful future. This Women's Day, let's not just celebrate women, let's empower them.